Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are fine and welcome to my YouTube channel friends. And biography will talk about the Korean couple ChangWook and NamJiHyun. Once again, the dating rumors on surface that ChangWook and NamJiHyun are seen together in seaside. So watch the video till the end. If you haven't already subscribe to our channel, please start our video. ChangWook and NamJiHyun's fourth relationship is outlook since fans first sensing spark between ChangWook and NamJiHyun, who are chemistry on screen and are popular drama spark talks of a possible real-life romance with fans waiting for them to be together. Social media has been flooded with adorable photos and video of the sharing moments that have pocket fans' interest. ChangWook and NamJiHyun continue to grab headlines not just for their acting gigs but also due to their persistent dating rumors swirling around them. Recently, fans stumbled upon them together in what appeared to be a dating setting. This expected setting only at their dating rumors, leading many to believe they are an atom beyond their world. What is even more intriguing is a silence from both ChangWook and NamJiHyun agencies, allowing fans to draw their own conclusions. You think ChangWook and NamJiHyun romantically involved, considering all the evidence popping up online? Share your thought in the comments. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, drop a comment and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you next video. Take care. Bye bye.